name is JT Kent. I am one of the developers here at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Images module within the Sitefinity CMS, specifically replacing an existing image. So let's launch the project and begin. To access images, we go to Content, Images, browse to the library that we want to find the image, and let's delete this blue image really quickly. So we have an existing image, it's a gray rectangle. We'll click Publish, and we'll get the embed URL. We'll paste this into a new browser tab just so we can see the image. So that's the image, existing image. So now what we're going to do is we're going to replace the image. To replace the image, we click on the gear icon and then replace the image. Choose a new image from our desktop and then call it, now it's blue. Hit Publish. Refreshing the page, so we now have a blue rectangle. The URL has remained the same, but we've replaced the gray rectangle with a blue rectangle.